Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Asixoxeni ekseni. Ubhuti yangibhalela or awushozi I don't have time. Akinanaku like la emhlabeni. Angisana isikhathi emhlabeni, isikhathi sami siyahamba. So I'm running out of time, really. So please help me. And can someone help me? Or umuntu owaziyo la ngathola khona usizo. Story time. Ubhuti uyangibhalela awushozi sort of ubhuti basithi ubhiti ne. Yeah, ubhiti. Ubhiti yangibhalela awushozi I was one of those guys go lokishini. Yabona athi yabona those guys ka weekends bakopana ka di cooler box then bahlangana ngemoto zabavula amabhuti bayachila somewhere maybe go parking or go car wash yabona things like that. Uthi besibafana banjalo. Uthi ku squad sethu si5. So mina according to money wise kahle okay money wise mina bengathi maybe ngiphakathi nendawo. I don't have money and futhi angihlupheki. I do have a decent job and ngihola kahle but bengifuna upgrade like impilo yami beyond la ngihlala khona because of 3 of abangani bakhe bahlala ema suburbs, then yena na this other guy basahlala elokishini but he has a house akahlali kibo uhlala lokishini but unendle lokishini na this one uhlala lokishini. So yena kahle impilo yakhe bekafuna ukuthi naye awele kodi suburbs kube moto chelete. Okay, I do have a car and silaba afana labo ukuthi letsamaya ka di Ford Ranger sama ngamabhaki yabona ngathi Ford Ranger bhaki yabona sama ngamabhaki sabantu la like ngabantu laba abathanda ama activities ngasi wenzani uthi kwenzani baya lapha kuma mountain bayenzani ngalama bhaki wabo ngikhohliwe legama lona lelo yabona. And then bayathanda futhi camper ama camping activities bayathanda ukwenza ama boys trip during yana tsejwawo yabona. So uthi each and every time must hamba like we do contribute yabona ukuthi siwenza so or then sibeka someone in charge ukuthi wena uyenza this is your department uzo concentrate kiyo uyabona. Uthi okay kube like that vele ukuthi siya contribute each and every month or awushozi kinalimedi lebana babedi. So you should know ukuthi mahola imali iyangapha like chelete eventually inyanga maphela iyashota because of ke high installment yakoloyi kama you need to pay your house ke bills ke school fees ke dijo ke petrol ke insurance one or eventually salary igcina seyiba yincane even if ungathola maybe let's say like say ngenza example maybe ungahola boma 40 wabona mogodi ma 40 awudira that pie chart ontsha usala ngeslide singaka lesi saphi imali usala ngayo each and every month wabona. So kuba ukuthi vele kuba mathatha awu alichelete abate. So ngiqale ke singangena ke ngisengena impilo yobo mashonisa ngithi ngiya kusibani bana ngibole 5000 to push lenyanga le yenze nama guys bar area ku kai are planning anginayo like budget for le ukuthi ngihamba yabona. Then singaya futhi umunye masonisa ngicela ukuthi ungcwalise nge 3000 ngizobona credit fail yabona. Uthi like that ikoloto siqale zibuild up and then like if ihlala musadi because uyabaza ukuthi abomama endlini banjani bathanda ukurasa babuza ukuthi imali yapi or awushozi as much as kelemona and yes bana bastodu. I do have a side chick yabona. I do have a side chick but as a side chick ukuthi ngimupha more than 1500 ngamupha 1000 rand la dente arimanala in kamozama yabona. But the main salary yami imali yonke kahle yeah with the main wife the main chick the wife yeah good the wife everything is settled and stuff like that yabona. So I was choosing to call this mashonisa kuvumbuluke enye trip ngiye komunye masonisa sengikolta bomasonisa abayi3 ngesikhathi si1 of which salary yami ngeke ikhona ukhavara abo masonisa abayi3 ngesikhathi si1. Uthi vele icala impilo yami epintsheke like that ukuthi angisakhona ukumanage izinto angisakhoni ngibona le side chick ukuthi hayi man ish ngari like liability bane edela dikoloto uthi ngidrope le side chick vele ngiphume kuwe ngisele umama nabantwana but still the money I yenzeki like I balance izinto zami zonke. I uthi organize this trip, say this camping site behuma guys kuphela vele siye lapho masifika uthi there is this friend of mine la kulama friends lawa i4 ngisho by 5 kulama friends lawa i4 kunomngane wami lo simbiza uThabo simbiza uTimeni uthi uTimeni uhlala nemali man uhlala nemali and uhlala endlini decent and kimothwa stock yabona unale stock unomfazi but unale stock and stock saka kwasi maintain yabona uthi ngizibuza ukuthi mali umfana wenza kanjani cause mina naye sisebenza almost the same job and ama salary suite angaba ngishanga ngabo ma 10 to 5000 ukuthi ngishanga ngabo ma 80000 but impilo ayiphilayo like I luxurious serious yabona so uthi ngizibuza ukuthi kanti utira jwang ukhona jwang cause mina sengigijimisa bomashonisa ngiboleka imali ngapha ngibhadala lo ngisuse ngapha ngibhadale lo ngiphinde ngibhadale lo ngibhadale lo ngiboleke ngapha ngibhadala uthi impilo sile ngiphila vele yabona so uthi hayi uthi vele mase ku camping amaloko camping sithi so shower vele athi uthi man athi asame so shower angibizi uthi makangibiza mase walk towards la ma shower so shower uthi ngimbuza kanti wesona ukhona kanjani cause kawubona or uyashine nje uyaflowa mini like ama financial struggles that I have when you don't have and ama salary suite I don't think ukuthi adlulana ngaleyo ndalo ukuthi you can afford all of this and awuna ne business on the side ukhona jwang ubona hayi bathu uTimeni vele ambheke ahleke athi you don't want to know please you don't want to know but lo ambuze futhi hayi man ubit athi man hook me up if we do have a side hustle a side mina ngingayazi ngihook man like nami dilusa ka di balance man ngiya stretch each and everything ngiya stretch and ngiyabona ukuthi ngicina sengiya collapse financially because of hayi awenzeki yabona uthi vele ngimkhulume as amajita siwalk vele siya emashawareni uthi man angel athi you don't want to know rather ungazi ukuthi ngiyenza kanjani ukuthi ngibe nemali yabona uthi ngimcele ukuthi ngicela ukuthi hotspot kanti uyitsanga cause I'm struggling my guy I'm struggling so I need your help as guys ukuthi asipushaneni especially if une maid nabantwana those guys they need money and ba expensive yabona uthi vele sicoco uthi man athi amasingayixoxela le ndaba if you want ukwazi ukuthi imali extra cash ngenza kanjani let's meet maybe Sunday or let's meet Monday after work and then sizokhuluma ke privately soyithu ukuthi siphuma kanjani sicala kanjani le ndaba ofunayo but you should know ukuthi kunama terms and conditions walentoni uyifunayo if you really want to get in kule business mina engiyenzayo it's difficult so you need to make a choice ukuthi uyafuna ukuba lapho or uyafuna ukuba lapho nanoma ungabana la nalama challenges uzowaface or fanele ukuthi uzicommit ukuthi it's me or I die yabona uthi vele because of being desperate like lokho kustress ukuthi mangihola manje iaccount yami kusala kuyi00 musadi walwa like sesiba nama conflicts endlini isikole fees abantwana sesisemuva amakha installments asemuva izinto zihlangahlangene like emzini wami angisa enjoy next noma ngiphuza utshwala angisaphuzela ukuthi ngifuna enjoy sengiphuzela ukuthi ke batlole bala mathatha aka cause kinala mathatha maholi ama bomashonisa abazolala bakufonela day in day out cause baba ka child yabona and of which I cannot manage ukuthi ngibabhadale so being desperate vele bengalandana noma bangathi sitshontsha amakhanda abantwana or senzani should the way I was so desperate ngikhona bengayenza because of bengifuna ulungisa i-financial status sethu endlini hayi uthi scamp vele ucampiwe beyisaturday be camping siziphuzele siziphekele uthi hayi vele sisichilele kube mnandi siziphekele sizibrayele kube mnandi man kube mnandi bashimani bekhona abanye amantombazana azile nawo azokempa uri awushozi mazipho agcwele ilahle abona uthi hayi vele awushozi ngiya enjoy man vele ngizile mina ngithi mina ngizilalela ngizile thendeni lami ngizilalele because of ama struggles enginawo endlini hayi ubhuti uthi my sister ivele ifike vele Monday ngimfonele uthi Timen arikopane phela sizokhuluma ngale ndaba leya ungitshele ngayo. Uthi Timen vele kushuthi kungabe umuntu ukuthi uyafuna but ngibe ukuthi ngiyamforce ukuthi no, at the as brothers we need to help each other. Ngihluphekile bengeke ngize kuwe if ever ngahluphekanga, yabona. Uthi vele ngimtshele vele ukuthi ngihluphekile and ngibona ukuthi umshado wami uzophela, so because this thing is affecting us nasendlini asakhona ukuthenga negroceries last the whole month rephela kali cut and paste. Hayi uthi vele ngihlangane naye Timen vele angitshele ukuthi mina ukuze ngibe la ngikhona la it's because of ngithole usizo from someone else. So if you want me to hotspot you nalo umuntu loyo, you need to ukuthi uzitshele ukuthi ama consequences wakhona uzosimela, yabona. Or awushoze bekusabathi uhlwelela the terms and conditions leading the t's and t's bekisanya kodi uhlwelela. The only thing ki batla nkore ke jo status sekeleng sona sa chelete financial, yabona. So uthi vele angitshele athi okay, I will organize for us ukuthi sihambe ke sohlangana nalo muntu lo, hence wena uthi awuna mali, mina I will pay for everything, don't worry. And then from there when uzoyithatha masifika le, you will take it from there ukuthi wenza kanjani. Hayi uthi awushothi ke sabale problem. I plan kahle ukuthi weekend uba free, ngabe uschedule sakho ube free, ngizopick up mina ngakadi AM si drive again, then we go to this place so khona ufika kusese early. Uthi okay, ngabe ne problem. Hayi Friday angifonele are you still keen ukuthi siye lapha yana, ngivume ngithi yes asambe dipra. Athi okay nokuthi sihambe ngamatha. I thought ukuthi ngcono sihambe manje ebusuku nasizokhona ufika ngale ngamatha. Okay sharp. Uthi hayi ngitshela umamasi ngihamba noTimen kunala ngimkhapha khona, ngingamtshela umamasi ukuthi ngiyakuphi ngiyenzani ulama lokuthi ngimkhaphe khona, and then ngizobuya the following day or sobuya ebusuku tomorrow. I don't know, uzozwa ngami ngizokufonela. I or sharp sihambe or awushoze si drive retweka border. Hey uthi siphume ngeborder sihambe ke. Uthi asifika ngale sifike uthi angitshela athi la ngisokhona ngikusa kumakhosi. Umakhosi laba bagangayo, asibo makhosi laba abaphilisayo abagangayo abenza ama voodoo stuff, yabona. Uthi ngiyisa lapho uyozokutshela ukuthi from there wenza kanjani. Ari my brother, this thing is my secret, please ungayiblow out sele izinto zakho zibhopha so uyagijima utshela everyone. This thing akube secret yami nawe, ngiyacela. I don't want igama lami lihlangana izinto nesisnacks, yabona. Uthi vele angicoach angitshele vele ukuthi na uphaphi, if izinto zakho zicela ukupopha ungaphaphi, ulelo ube yifamily man, because mangaqala ube yiladies man uhamba uphapha yonke indawo isecret yakho izo expose. Uthi vele angiphe like utobona like brotherly advices. Uthi sharp. Uthi sifika lapha yana, uthi safika ku that place lapha siyakhona or awushozi yazi into wrong mawuyenza umzimba wakho uyakutshela ukuthi yabona la into ufuna ukuyenza or like bengizoma shivers nje emzimbeni wami, or like uyithinking uthi bengizwe ukuthi yabona la si entering endaweni wrong, but because of I was so desperate benganandaba ngithi ukuthi ngcono vele ngife for me ukuthi ngafa ngihluphekile, ngcono ngife nginemali, yabona. Uthi sifika, uthi masifika lapha yana umakhosi afike uthi mina tshela makhosi, this is the guy I told you about, naye uthi ufuna ukuthi umncede financial unezinkingi, yabona. Or awushoze makhosi angabe nenkingi, yabona lama storage containers lawa transparent, yeah. Uthi makhosi lapha khona kune storage container is transparent. The storage container sinabo food kanini English, food in English ma tortoise. Yeah, yona lokho what yasini, yabona. Uthi kunabo food, so makunabo food, so uthi athi kimi this guy angasho next asika consult like ngisho sho ukuthi makhosi baphonsa amathambo and they check your future or whatever. Okay. Uthi makhosi angaphonsa amathamba yenzeni anything, avele athi kimi athi phakama uyokhetha ufood wakho ngale ebasketini bu storage container lesana, yabona. athi ngithi phakama ukhethe ufudu wakho laphana then sizokutshela ukuthi idestiny yakho enjani. Uthi ngiphakame awushuze uhlaba futhi like abantu bancane like bancancane shoot my baby basesebo baby yabona. Uthi ngifika lapha ngibheke ngikhethe athi lethe la vele ngibe ngise kuye phansi yabona. Uri awushuze akifethu ibe yafathi ayibheke yabona. Uthi ayibheka acala athunisele izindudu zakhe alahle phansi ilamathambo wabo. Makalahla phansi uthi athi le food lina izokupha 10 years of wealth. Should like athi awushozi babala lifespan yalento leyana ukuthi izophila until how far. Uthi mina bengazi ukuthi futhi iphila for how many years. I didn't even know. I like bengana interest yalezi zinto lezo yabona. Angiyazi athi the one that you've picked lifespan yakhona izophila 10 years yabona. So at from today uyabala from today like today labor kumakhosi at from today you are counting from today until the last day 10 years ukuthi uzabe kunini. Uthi athi keep ifone yakho ucount kusese manje yabona for you to understand into engizozikhuluma from here. Uthi ngibe shocked ukuthi kanti abufudu nabo tennis utsena kaye cause nake batla chelete yabona. Or awushozi si calculate vele sibheke yabona. Athi angibuza ukuthi last day yali 10 years inini cause sengisho ngicheka i-calendar iphone. Uthi ngimtshele athi lelo langa lelo kuzoba ilanga lakho lokushona, meaning ukuthi from now to lelo langa le 10 years that will be your day la uzoshona khona. So uthi ngibe surprised why fa ukuthi ngishona yabona. Uthi I'm asking ngibuza umakhosi why kumele ukuthi ngishona. Athi amtshele umakhosi ukuthi yabona lo futhi lo ngipha yena manje lo futhi lo wena uhamba naye mahamba naye when you place lo futhi anywhere around the world anywhere ningamshiya la nihambe or umsiye ku any province or umshiye anyway athi lo futhi will walk uzohamba le 10 years. There is nothing that is going to kill lo futhi lo. Uzo survive all the storms and everything. Uzohamba but the minute umbona ngene egedini yakwakho you should know ukuthi lelo langa it's your last day on earth. The minute athi lo futhi lona he will know ukuthi wena uhlala kuphi, uzwazi umsebenzini wakho, uzwazi nakwakho. But the day umbona ngena whether emsebenzini wakho or kwakho, that will be the day from this earth. So uthi like ngibe shocked ari ngakubona ukuthi uthule bongazi ukuthi uzoyenzani la. Athi no, they've never told me. Athi lana lo futhi lona once you walk out ulo mnyango loyana izinto zakho they will fall into place. Each and everything that you want uzoyithola. Each and everything lena ehluphayo manje like lama financial struggles that you have right now ayophela wonke. Uzophila impilo luxury but for only 10 years. You should know ukuthi lo futhi lona mangasondela each and every time mawusondela you should know ukuthi isikhathi sakho siyancipha. So kule 10 years go and enjoy le 10 years. Or awushozi ungazi ukuthi ke hane or kidumele but something in me ngitshela ukuthi don't do it yabona, don't do it. But kube nale ethi nami ngiyafuna ukuphila impilo luxury athene skinji yabona. Uthi angibuza makhosi ukuthi are you taking the deal or walk away yabona. Athi can I give you time ukuthi ucabanga. Uthi I was like no right, I'm taking the deal because already sitki picture the life, the luxury cars, the luxury everything ekihlobanga lona in tennis. Uthi ngabi indaba ukuthi tennis is a short period of time ngingayiboni ngibona ukuthi hayi tennis iningi man I will survive. Or awushozi ngivume ufriend umpatele friend because bengana mali ukupatala kumakhosi. Ufriend ungipatelele ngathi izinto zamazipopa ngizomncedisa. Ufriend hayi ngicede ufriend vele aze kimi athi are you ready to go ngitshela friend ukuthi friend fanele sifune indawo la singalahla lento le mina ukuthi lufudu uthi masiphuma lapha vele ngimbuza ukuthi awuthi mina manje wafihla indaba engaka uthi mina namtshela ngathi this is my life, this is my secret and angishare na anyone, even my wife doesn't know. So please mafuna ukuthi zakho zicace empilweni ngicela ukuthi ungayitsheli umuntu and le ndaba le siyenzelana please asilive la asishela kahle kahle asishelana angifuni ukuthi sizokhuluma ngayo and angifuni masihlangane kube itopic yethu. So please respect i-decision engithethile and respect ukuthi nawe ungilethela. So I don't want us to discuss about this thing ever again. So for now let's find it last ungashiya khona lento yakho and sikhona uhamba meaning ukuthi lo futhi la ngisho bamnike wona ukuthi ahamba yolahla and then lo futhi uzowalka all these years le 10 years azafike yabona azafike egate yakhe angene egate yakhe or angene egate naka esemsebenzini wakhe. Okay sharp ubhutiza uthi ayivele sihambe ahambe towards indlela ukuthi sibuya ngapha yabona. Okay sorry uthi sihamba indlela yokale ukuthi siye ekudeni le futhi ithatha isikhathi ukuthi ifike uthi ayivele sifike vele like close to ama mountain uthi silahlele phansi sibeke phansi uthi vele sihambe si drive off sihambe uthi sihambe uthi awushozi like yonke le ndlela I had questions but ngiyakhona ubona ukuthi team man like he's not comfortable answer my questions wami. So ngicela ngithi ayike dibona shem because this person akafuna ukuthi discuss le topic and like I'm intrigued ukuthi what's going to happen. Ngiyabona kengi like ubona like ube na la feelings lawa unknown ukuthi ngoyenzani from here kwenzakalani yabona uthi awushozi sijike uthi mangifike endlini vele bengikhathele benginezinto eziningi ezirana engqondweni nami uthi ngifike ngigeze vele ngilale yabona uthi the following day mangivuka kube nokuthi ngireceive a call from one of my colleagues athi ijoke uhlile babulela kalina la wabona kunezinto ezoyenzeka empilweni yakho ngizoba khuluma ngegama lakho wabona emsebenzini or awushozi manje bebakhuluma benza mara I think ukuthi good news but like igama lakho bebasolo barana around bakhuluma ngegama lakho around yabona uthi you can depending emsebenzini awushozi mangifika emsebenzini bangipromote just like that ukuthi ngipromote la nginga understand ngithola promotion emsebenzini and i-promotion engiholela goes to imali engiholayo like promotion promotion is serious uthi ngiqale lapha vele ngiqale ngibhadala izinto zami kube excited endlini wabona. So umama endlini athi you know what let's start a business man because sistruggle sonke lesikhathi singanamali asiqale ibusiness la ungakhona ukusiza khona like ucoach abantu ngicareer oyenzayo because ubrother say umsebenzi awenza it's a nice job yabona. So uvule like ama online classes or ube life coach abantu uba thushe baba the graduate nalaba abafuna ukusebenza towards umsebenzi owenzayo uthi isivule kanjalo uthi awushoza ngakutshela ukuthi within a week bese nginama student amaningi and sishikina the classes uthi like uthi from le weekend engibuya kiyo to le weekend yokuqala uthi izinto zami bezishintshile already bengizizwa ngilight uthi I see set up this business yokuthi I'm going to teach online classes in ngifundisa labantu laba how to get through lo msebenzi ongiwenzayo in ama courses ukuthi wachoose uthi vele ngibe yi life coach but yomsebenzi ayile ukuthi obona I hope uthi ngibamba mali namichaza kakhulu this time yabona. So uthi ibusiness yami irane ibe kahle uthi awushoze ichelete icala iphopha in imali iphophe in sengiyaqala ke manje sengirenta kuma hotel sport rooms lanyo holda khona ama classes ngama weekend uthi ibusiness iqale vele kube ibusiness eserious ukuthi sengiya hosta ko Gauteng hosta ko Limpopo ko Mpumalanga ngisengiba nama seminars stuff like that or awushoze ichelete iphophe uthi imali ingene to an extent ukuthi ngingasazi ukuthi ngiyenza njani yabona. Uthi manje sengithi ukuthi you know what I'm going to leave my job, this thing you concentrate akiyo 100% njoba umsebenzi wami engizowenza each and every day. Or awushozi ngirenta office space kube ukuthi vele manje seyibusiness yami ke. Uthi ama customers, they were flocking in like this. They were flocking in like this. Ama student, even ama student, akube nelanga langathi angikho busy. I-business flow. Uthi money. Or also the money started popping in. Charity popping in. Left, right, and center. Charity popping in. Charity popping in. Uthi decide to uthi so expose ukuthi wenza in. Yeah, that part. But uthi decide to uthi let me venture in kune different business, but it's similar to what I'm doing. Yabona uthi nyenze nayo. Uthi awushozi those businesses zoyi2 uthi kwaqala lapho ukuthi nyenze my first million. Uthi ngayenza i-first million just like that. Uri nina ke sa believe uri jwang uthi impilo yami yashintsha to an extent ukuthi sa move from location sahamba sohlala ke kuma suburbs. Ngatshentsha vele izimoto, tshentshela abantwana bami isikolo, like impilo yami ya flow. Or awushozi as much as I had money, indaba yobona ama side chick bengasanayo because being concentrated on building a wealth for abantwana bami nomfazi wami. Yabona uthi those first 3 years bes enjoy life, besiya kuma vacation, beri enjoy abophilo barena, besingakashadanga i-white wedding, sashada i-white wedding. Or awushozi uphilo bakho bobuflowa, besiya kuma vacations down and down, ngikhipha abantwana, each and everything umfazi wami ayifunayo finisher wise uthi bekayithola. Kulike bengibhadelela ukuthi nanoma ngingasekho emhlabeni bakhona ukuzi sustain. Abona uthi ngiqale ngifundise my wife the business ukuthi wenza so uthi ngimfundise how to handle the financial side of the business, because of I'm not going to be here forever, so I need ukuthi restructure mentally at any at about business rerana jwa. Or I was choosing high 5-year mark ifike 5 years like just like that 5 years since ifike. But I was choosing, I remember lo umakhosi angifonela. Yabona angifonele athi ndoda so sebenzise 50% isikhathi sakho, you are left with 50%, isebenzise kahle. Uthi kuzo zonke izinto bengizenza bese lengikhohliwe le covenant engayenza le endumeni ngamakhosi nale fudu. Uthi like the way neki enjoy bekilibetsi. Uthi from that day angifonela ila panic ecala khona ukuthi I'm left with 5 years inabantwana nalo umuntu lona at this moment sikhuluma pregnant uba nomunye umntwana. So it means ukuthi mina umntwana manje ngimbone makathi 5 years, hayi ngimbone makathi 6 years, angeke ngimbone makathi 10 years, like I won't be here. Yabona uthi qale ke manje iyaqala vele seyangiluma. Uthi hayi one time ngifonela uTimen singahlangana Timon avom. uTimen akafike ngimbuza ukuthi kanti wena yakho ufuthi i-life span yakhona it is in. Yabona it is how many years, but uTimen athi mina I don't want to talk about that my bra, I don't want to talk about that. Athi hayi man ngitshela because mina say ngihit 5 years now last week ngihit 5 years, so kanti isikhiphani. Yabona uthi vele uTimen angafuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Uthi but ngimbonga ukuthi Timen asikho umuntu ngitshele right. I was just uthi akasesema mudwini a right. Uthi ay ngimiyele kithi maybe unenkinga like endlini kilobona ngimiyele. Uthi I was just akungaphelanga 2 months jiki uTimen ushonile cause of death nobody knows uvele wa collapse washona shonele kwakhe egarage. Or also the many things oloko bengazi ukuthi isikhathi sakhe sihambe siphilile emhlabeni. Athi awushozi umfazi wakhe manje umduduza athi bekasho lo muntu lokuthi mangishona wenze so mangishona ngenze so I like lihula hanga gale ngikhelela nathi what am I fasi lo muntu usethe izinto eziningi bekanje ukuthi mangashona inenzeni athi bekabhala phansi izinto eziningi athi I don't understand ukuthi how. Or awushozi reality hit in ukuthi sisifasile izinto zasemhlabeni now isikhathi payback. So uTimen had to pay back impilo yakhe, so I'm next in line. But awushozi ku funeral ka Timen uthi ila ngabona khona ukuthi asimadoda sawayenza ama decision abhedayo uthi uTimen bekanempilo enhle ifunga yazi ukuthi uyithole kanjani uTimen bekanezimoto bekanendwente banomfazi omuhle bakanabantwana bahle like bekagxuka ukudini like nobody's business but was it worth it ukuthi aluze impilo yakhe? It wasn't. Athi the funeral beyinhle well planned but beyiplane away like everything ya bokuhle esive ngathi besishadisa umuntu noZulu ne heaven athi bongathi umshado wakhe angene ezulwini uthi I was choosing. That was the saddest day of my life. Bengasisaid ukuthi bokusaid ukuthi ngiluze umngane wami but beyisaid ukuthi this is going to be me next time. Planning your whole planning your whole life le motho moratang le bana ba hao only for greed. You would take cut enough le empilo because of rabatla dutse di fast what I was choosing ulo funeral ngakhale ngento engapheli bengasakhalela ukuthi I've lost a friend bengikhalela ukuthi this friend ushonile uyowangisa kumakhosi uyowangintroduce to this life angalibe ngimfoster but I regret ever knowing him ngiyaregreta uthi imncwabo uyenze undlule uthi I was choosing decide ukuthi amanye kumakhosi mina I want to reverse this thing angisayifuni lempinqono iphinde ngihlupheke but ngibe there for abantwana bami ngibe there for umfazi wami uthi I was choosing after funeral ngihambe ke ngibile kumakhosi ayimina le ndaba le angisayifuni rather take everything elethele food money the business and stuff rather take everything but I want my whole life back ngifuna ukuthi ngibe ikhehla for abantwana ngibona abantwana bami bashada ngibona abantwana bami ba graduate so angisayifuni makhosi was like eputi tekile ngwana mani tekile ayikhona ukuthi ujike lento le uyithola kuphi futhi lo umlahlile because umlahle esigangeni nanoma ngathi uyomsuma ngomthola kuphi because after 5 years umthola kuphi angikuphe net leyo project ukuthi umfuna umthola bawungamthola la ila impilo yakhe ingaba right umfuna umthole uthi mangihlala ngibona ukuthi vele umakhosi into ekhuluma is impossible. I cannot find lo futu has to find me la ngikhona khona uzongithola but mina I cannot find him nanoma ngathi ngiyambheka ngomcala kuphi because ngamlahle esigangeni kule 5 years angazi ukuthi ukuphi uthi awushozi ngiphume kamakhosi ngiregreta ukulona ole monna o driver kolebila waperi mazaza ngidriver athi mangidriver izinyembezi zehla uthi I was driving and crying nindoda engaka uthi each and every guy ophila naye bakhalela impilo yami bakhalela like gibras uthi akufika mina abantu bayashift itulweni bashiftela mina but now kaharaka I'm not happy or this year angibala this year ngisalele 4 years nanemhla I'm not happy uthi mangihlala phansi every day I always advise abantu ukuthi life is precious, life is important. Yeah, take care of yourself, take care of your kids, take care of business wakho, take care of everyone around you. Life is very precious. Ningayi waste guys. Uthi I'm that guy uthi mangihleli phansi ngi-advise abantu ngempilo. But bona they think ukuthi ngi-advise because of I'm a good person or stuff. Ngi-advise because of the regrets that I have. Ukuthi this year select 4 years of my life. So I was choosing parallel. So I'm trying. I can spend any money, nganema whatever amount, but if someone can reverse, le case ngayilete empilweni yami. Because each and every time ngibona my wife I happy, impilo yethi flourisha, but angazi ukuthi mina le mpilo ngengise enjoy nayo. Or I was choosing bangcobile umngane wami bamenzela iking 10 days dithlubulo ne uthi bamenzela zona. And then after that I went back ukuthi ngiyobona umama nabantwana ukuthi baphila njani without the husband. Uthi lo ya mama, she's not coping mangathi yakhuluma vela khale. Uthi makakhala so I'm picturing my wife ukuthi uzabe kuuyi akhala so ngasekho emhlabeni. Athi lo ya mama otlhakatlhakane atsibe ko pele le ko morago go kae. Umuntu akakekho lo bekamsustain lo ba hole hero mahlonga ga le bana ba gage. Uthi awusozi into ngiphila nayo every day, ngiphila ne regret or chelete e ke na leng a ke enjoy at all. Angi enjoy nhlobo cause ngiya regreta ukuthi le mali le iyongilethela namuhla. Le mali le ingishiye nge 4 years of life ngisele ngayo. So what I was just I'm writing this because of I need help. I can spend whatever amount, but as long as this case ingaphuma empilweni yami, I don't want abantu ama chance takers. I want someone owadlula la bamnceda or someone ongakhona ukunceda kule issue enginayo. But akinanako. Our time is not on my side. So please guys, anyone who knows anybody or who knows anyone or who knows voodoo makhosi or whatsoever, ubrothers utunceda ucela usizo. Yena he can't take it anymore. Akafuna ukushona, akafuna ukushiya abantwana bakhe nomfazi wakhe kulo mhlaba. So far impilo it's nice, but like he's not enjoying the money. The only person who enjoys the money is the wife and the kids. So yena uthi ufuna ukuzisave aphile noma ngaba poor, but aphile abantwana bakhe. Ntotsele di etsang for chelete sindegala. How can you cut your life short like that? Kuhle mawugula bathi no Dr. Smama ngikhona ukufodisa. Manje le it's very difficult guys. Uyothola kuphi ufuto wawo lahla 5 years ago. Hayi nina. Nangu bhuti guys, nceda no bhuti, ngincane bhuti bit ukuthi asave impilo yakhe cause ufuna abantwana bakhe ba graduate. Like sometimes we cannot life it doesn't have a price tag, and excuse me, and enye into angeke uwazi ukuthi intennis uzabophila because of retsoga ka like ke mohawa modimo ukuthi namohla ngivukile ngicocana nezindaba ngihlelela headboard green ngicocana nezindaba like it's a grace nje. It's not about ukuthi ngichuzile ukuthi 2025 namuhla kaninga 29 November ngizabe ngila angazi nokuthi kusasa cause ki 30 November kitlabe kilikai. But I don't think good if someone can say to me 10 years ungupha everything then you live for 10 years then ngithathe angeke guys. I don't know ukuthi in 10 years ngizabe ngiphila or ngingaphili, but I don't think I will risk it like that. Ngithi I'm going to take 10 years of my life and then ngashona. Ayeke guys, nanoma ngilethela 10 million or 50 million rand angeke. Like bophelo bo important guys, modimo bophelo bo mahala tutia. This is your life. Ukuthi uyishape kanjani, uyimosha kanjani, that's your problem. But boke bophelo bo fangibona. And then mina I want to take my life ngifake plastic nginikele makhosi ngithi mi thatha le 10 years. I wonder ukuthi abomakhosi if they are taking these 10 years impilo zabantu bona bathola in return. It's something that I'm asking myself. Ukuthi if you ever you have ipower yokuthi uzophila 5 years wena like amandla lawe 5 years wathatha go like wenzani ngawo like ay baba yini guys yazi ngizabe ngipreach